Okay, and I'm going to show you how to fix a crack using the Kwixsand crack repair. It's really a simple process. You've got to clean the crack out first, blow it out, clean it, and then take some of our patented Kwixsand crack repair mix. And this one here's got a neutral, kind of a neutral blend to it. It's got a little bit of red in it, just a little bit, and I use this on exposed aggregate. And you don't have to pack it in real hard or everything. It'll, the fine particles will fit down in there. I spread it out just a little bit, and all you're doing is spraying it with a fine mist. Make sure there's a little bit on the surface area on either side. Wet it down real good, and come back in about 5 minutes, and you can already see that the crack has pretty much disappeared. If you like, you can come back over and seal the whole driveway at this point. And that's pretty much it. Here's a Kwixsand. Makes those cracks disappear. Let's do a little bit more down here. I'm going to move the camera down. Let's do another section here. Again, just starting at the top of your crack. Fill in the crack with your Kwixsand crack repair. Lightly pat, blend it in, and thoroughly wet. Away goes your crack. Another technique, doesn't matter really what your technique is, you can go ahead and wet the crack.